Want to launch a WordPress website without spending any money on hosting? In this video, I'll show you how to get free web hosting for your WordPress website using FreeHosting.com. Whether you're building a personal blog, testing a new project, creating a portfolio, or learning WordPress, this is a great way to get your website online without paying for hosting. We'll go through the entire process, from creating your account and setting up your hosting to installing WordPress. Let's get started. What is FreeHosting.com? FreeHosting.com is a web hosting provider that offers a completely free hosting plan with no forced advertisements on your website. The free plan includes essential features for small websites, including 10 GB of free web hosting with unlimited bandwidth, the ability to use your own custom domain, Softaculous one-click application installer, PHP and MySQL support, website file manager, email support. Although the free plan has some limitations compared to premium hosting, it's an excellent option for beginners, students, developers, and anyone wanting to learn WordPress without making an investment. Step 1. Create your free hosting account. Visit freehosting.com and click the option to create a free hosting account. Unlike some other free hosting providers, freehosting.com requires you to use your own domain name. If you already own a domain, simply connect it to your hosting account. If you don't have one yet, you can register a low-cost domain from any domain registrar. Complete the registration form using your data, your email address, and create a secure password. You'll receive a verification email. Open it and activate your account. Once your account is verified, log into your hosting control panel. This dashboard is where you'll manage your hosting account, domains, files, databases, email accounts, and SSL certificates. Step 2. Connect your domain. During the setup process, you'll be asked to point your domain's name servers or update your DNS records. DNS changes usually take anywhere from a few minutes up to 24 hours to fully propagate across the internet. Once the domain is connected successfully, you're ready to install WordPress. Step 3. Install WordPress. In the hosting dashboard, locate the Softaculous apps installer. Select WordPress from the list of available applications. Choose the domain you just set up. Next, enter your website information. Site name. Admin username. Strong admin password. Admin email. Click install and wait for the confirmation message. After a few moments, you'll see a success message. Congratulations! Your WordPress website is now online. Step 4. Log into the WordPress dashboard. Visit yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Log in using the administrator credentials you created. This is where you'll customize your website, install themes, add plugins, create pages, publish blog posts, and manage every aspect of your WordPress site. Step 5. Using free SSL. FreeHosting.com has changed its policy and no longer offers free SSL. SSL activation requires purchase of SSL add-on. After purchase, SSL certificate will be installed automatically. Without that add-on, the web server won't use any SSL certificate, whether it's from Let's Encrypt, Zero SSL, or another certificate authority. If you don't mind your site only using HTTP, you can use the 10 GB of free hosting. If you need a completely free hosting with free HTTPS, consider another free hosting provider like Infinity Free. Tips for using free hosting. Free hosting works well for learning WordPress, testing plugins, practicing website development, school projects, personal portfolios, small hobby websites. However, free hosting may include limitations such as limited storage space, limited bandwidth, fewer server resources, no guaranteed uptime, fewer advanced hosting features, limited technical support. If your website begins receiving significant traffic or becomes important for your business, upgrading to a premium hosting plan is recommended for better performance, security, backups, and customer support. Bonus tips. After installing WordPress, here are a few things you should do immediately. Install a backup plugin. Install a security plugin. Choose a lightweight theme. Delete unused themes and plugins. Change the default permalink structure. Keep WordPress, plugins, and themes updated. Because the free account does not offer automatic backup, it is advisable to periodically manually backup your site. These simple steps will make your website faster, safer, and easier to maintain. Final thoughts. And that's how you can get free hosting for WordPress using FreeHosting.com. In just a short time, you've created a fully functional WordPress website, connected your domain, and installed WordPress, all without paying for hosting. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss future WordPress and web hosting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.